Hello all, welcome to Sunrise Learning. Yeah, hello all, and welcome to Sunrise Learning. And today topic is about Contact Center Express, and it's a very small video, and in which I'm going to cover how we can create a UCCX scripting. So let's start this session now. So for a UCCX, there is a separate tool that we use to create a or to design the script, and that tool is called CCX editor, or you can also call it as a UCCX script editor. And that tool is available under the UCCX server, so you have to download that. And once it downloaded, then other software, like you just click on exe and it start downloading it. So here are I have mentioned the steps how you are going to download the script editor. If you are not aware about it, or you are using it for the first time, you'll have to. And in today's session, there are at least about 7 to 8 topic I'm going to cover. And once our UCCX script editor is installed, I'm going to navigate you through all the 4 windows, and we are going to create our first script, and how we are going to save it, and how we can create a prompt and strings, and other conditions like if and go to kind of a steps or conditions that we can use it in a script. And there are some 2 ways of your testing the script. One is a debugging and another one is a validate script. So we are going to check we'll find the difference, or we'll check the difference between both the script, and these are the ways of testing it. So let's start with how we are going to download the script editor for the first time. Simply you'll have to log in onto this UCCX web admin page, and under the web admin page there is a plugin option. So you have to type over there CCX editor and hit enter. Once you'll hit enter, it will it will search or display you that script editor is there. So you just need to download that option, and then you just need to run your exe file. So once you are going to run that exe file, it will going to display something like this. It will automatically come under your program page, and under program you'll have to go onto the Cisco, this one, and you just have to open this. It will ask you for username and the password, and if you can type by default, every organization has the administrator password and Cisco 123, or you can if you want to make a modification in the script, then you will have to use username and the password. Otherwise, like, you can log in on anonymously. You will have to put the IP address of your UCCX server under this server. And so this is it. It usually take 2 to 3 minutes to open, so let's wait for that. So it's almost like it's done its setup, and it's going to open in a few more seconds. It's almost done now. Alright, so as you can see that this editor page has been opened, and from top I can see there are some options like file, edit, tools, debug, windows, settings, help, and at the below there are it's giving us the options how we are going to use this functions in our call in our scripting. And at the bottom of this there is a variable page where we define the variables and create a strings or any loops that we want to create in our script. And toward right, it's going to display the errors, like first time if I'm using a script for the first time, or I'm creating any variable, and during testing it's going to display the number of the errors here, and tell you and also going to highlight that error where the error is. And this one is a this one window, um, window near to journal tab. This one is a it's a space which in which we are going to design our script. So okay, so when we are going to create a first script, so we can directly go to the new and like open it. Just press the new button. Alright, so there are some options like the contact service and journal, IVR, queuing, VRA, voice browser. So there are some what Cisco has done. They have already created some script as per the user requirement, and most probably like when we are creating a script for the first time, or the new script that we want to create, then we are going to use a blank script. And otherwise, like VRU script, they have already created it. Like VRU, as everyone knows, like some kind of auto attendant script is like already defined. Let me open it. So these are already predefined templates we have, and we can make the changes as per the need. So let's go back to the again to new mode, and similar kind of a predefined templates is scripting is already there in the same in the queuing also, VRU, and voice browser also. So we are going to use the blank script. So let's create it. Okay, so once we are going to like create, press this, we are going to the page like this, the start and end section. So it's like start is means like from where this script is going to hit or going to start, and end is basically like your script is end, and there is no other function that need to be done. So this kind of when we do this new, so we get these initial script, and this is the window in which we are going to define our scriptings. So there are some tabs like the journal tab. Here there are the different functions that we are going to use. First of all, like before creating any UCCX scripting, you just do one thing, take the Excel sheet and define all the parameters and all the variables that you are going to use. Suppose in my scripting I want a menu to be played, like welcome to Sunrise Learning, or how can I help you. If you want to talk to an agent, press 1, press 2. It's means like giving options to the customer. Option 1 for English, like option 2